So we'll come out for a walk into the forest at Sherwood. The kids are having to battle the way through. Now we're on to another path now. Well, it's all overgrown, no matter which way you go, so. Okay, we're not going either of them, might as well carry straight on them. They've been chopping everything back here, look. We're down to the railway line now, shall? You can't though, that's the problem, it's all nettles and overgrown. This is the path that takes you up one side.
Yeah.
So follow the path up.
No.
Unless you want to cross over, go down and cross over. It's all overgrown down there, that's why I thought it was strange last time when you said it. So yeah guys, we're just going for a bit of a walk today, and we didn't want to walk too far from home because the weather's looking like it could throw it down with rain, and we're not sure. So hello everyone, so today we're just going for a walk down Sherwood Forest, local to where we live. Thought I'd take you along for the journey guys. This is a place that I used to walk a lot when I was younger, when I was a kid. Out there it's a steep slope. That's a railway line, old railway line. And I've walked this railway line for about 10 miles when it was a proper railway line. But it's been a while since I've been down here guys. So I had to stop filming for a second there guys. So yeah, Cleethorpes was pretty cool. I've got a geocaching video to upload like I've just said, so that'll be coming up shortly this week, which was quite enjoyable to do. I was able to find quite a few caches doing it. And we're supposed to be going to France in a few weeks time, but I'm not sure if that's happening now, or where things are going with COVID, and Spain's been put back into a lockdown. We're not, anyone that flies to Spain now has to do a 14-day quarantine when they get back, so it's disrupting a lot of people's holidays at the moment. France is still not on the list, so at the moment we're still going. That is the plan. So yeah, that's what's happening in a few weeks time guys, hopefully, all being well. Have you? Oh, found a big den. Seen this tree as well? Old tree. Let's go and have a look. Oh yeah, it's a good den, isn't it? Yeah, it's pretty cool. Take some time to build that, don't it? Come on then. I'll walk up towards, well, we do believe there's a pond up here, so we're aiming to walk to the pond. That's the plan. At the base where Papwick pumping station is. So that's where we're going to head guys. So yeah, I'm going to do a shout out guys. Today we're going to do a couple of YouTubers that I've been watching their videos for a while now, quite enjoy their content. So the first one's going to be Helen Serge. So check those out, guys. They produce some absolutely amazing footage. In fact, they've just recently uploaded a video showing all the things they use for their footage, and a battery pack that they install into the car so they can get extra long footage when they're driving. And yeah, they've done loads of really good quality videos in Canada and places like that, and yeah, I really like their content. It's really good. So yeah, give those guys a give it a watch, guys, and subscribe if you like them. Personally, I think they're going to blow up and be big, and the subscriber number is going to go through the roof, because I say the content's really good. The second one I do a shout out for is the Kiroc channel. He's a YouTuber from Japan, and he produces lots of videos of his cat, his pet cat, and yeah, he's a nice lad, nice person, good content. So yeah, check him out. Guys, we're trying to find the pond. We know it's not far away, but we're not 100% sure where it is. Oh, this is the path. Yeah, the pond's here. I think we're on it, aren't we? Yeah. Oh look. Well, I thought we were on pond, but yeah, that's not the pond, guys. That's a marsh. Keep walking. I'll try and find this pond. We know it's around here somewhere. There's another bird there, look. I tried to catch one of them on camera earlier, zooming in, but just as I got my camera out, he flew off. He's flying around there. So I think this is part of the pumping station ponds, I think. Although obviously I can't see no pond here, but there definitely is one because there's people fishing it. I've heard that people fishing it, so and that's what we're trying to find. Little pumps up. You can't actually get near the pumping station. It's a shame, really. Yeah, it's surrounded by trees, but there's a pumping station, old pumping station there. I'm just going to have a look and see if I can get close to it. I don't think you can. Can't even get a photo of it. Try and stand around here. Well, I think I'm going on a wild goose chase. I'm not. I've just found this old brick. The pond's over there, so we're not actually too far away from it. There's a couple of ways to the pond. You can get to it that way. The pond's over there, look. I can see the pond.
Yeah, I know.
Alright. Keep going then. You what? now we're walking back, guys, after we've seen the ducks and the geese. So I hope you enjoyed this short one today, and we'll be back very soon with another upload. Please remember, guys, to give it a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already done so.